Despite the proclaimed importance of real estate, potential homeowners often do not check title records, especially if they pay for the house themselves. Often, if a lender mortgages a property for you, they will have a property title search completed. A property title search will investigate the legal right to the possession of real property. When possession of a house takes place, a deed, which is a written instrument that conveys the ownership of a property to another person, is recorded. Both the title and deed for a house are a matter of public record. Know what you're looking for from a title search company. Whether you're looking into your own property's history for informational purposes, or you're considering purchasing property and need to know the past and current status, it's important to state upfront exactly what you expect from the company. Find out what the title search company's services entail. There will be a search made of the property's history, but you want to know what the company's typical search consists of. Ask if the title searcher looks into court records for current or past liens or claims against the property, current mortgages or encumbrances upon the property, as well as problems with past title transfers or property descriptions. You can visit these public offices that are staffed by knowledgeable personnel ready to help you find property deeds. You can check federal court records to find out if a seller has filed for bankruptcy. Go to the local library to conduct a search on the internet. Most online resources charge a fee. However, your library may provide these resources for free. Search for the grantor's name in the grantee's book to find when the title transferred ownership. But I found these wonderful websites that will allow you to get abundant property title records in just a few clicks. All you have to do is sign up, and you will get a free trial to start your search. Their databases have information that include much more than title records, and also include birth, criminal, court, marriage records, and a lot more. But if you do not want to continue with your membership, you can cancel it anytime without complications. Click the link below for additional guide and information on property ownership search.